Hey there, prompt engineers. Welcome back to our series on prompt engineering. Today we are going to explore a game changing technique to make your prompts more engaging, creative, and effective. Say hello to analogies, metaphors, and storytelling. These literary devices will help you unlock the full potential of your prompts and get more accurate and insightful responses from AI models. First, we'll explore analogies. Let's start. Analogy is a comparison between two things that may seem different on the surface but share some common characteristics. By using analogies in your prompts, you can explain complex ideas in simpler terms and make them more relatable. For example, a simple prompt that is explain how a neural network works. Now, neural network is a difficult term. So, if we add analogy in our prompt, we can write it as explain how a neural network works, similar to how a team of experts collaborates to solve a complex problem. How do individual components work together to achieve a common goal? Now you can do comparison between the both of the responses and you'll see the hell of difference. By using an analogy, we make the concept more accessible and easier to understand. The AI model can now draw parallels between the two concepts and provide a more detailed explanation. Hope you guys understand this term analogy. And the second term is metaphors. Metaphors take it a step further by equating one thing with another. This creates a powerful connection in our minds and helps us generate more innovative and creative responses from AI models. For example, a simple prompt is describe the process of natural language processing. But a metaphor based prompt is natural language processing is a master chef cooking a new dish. Describe the ingredients, recipe, and presentation. By using a metaphor, we create a vivid and memorable picture in our minds. The AI model can now generate a more engaging and creative response. Third term is storytelling. Storytelling is the most engaging way to convey information. It makes prompts more relatable and memorable. For example, a simple prompt is generate a product description for a smart home device, and this prompt will give you a generic response. But a storytelling based prompt, imagine you are a busy professional coming home from work on a hot summer day. Describe how this smart home device makes your life easier, from adjusting the temperature to playing soothing music. By telling a story, we create an emotional connection and get more insightful responses from AI. The AI model can now generate a more personalized and engaging product description. Now it's your turn. Try using analogies, metaphors, and storytelling in your prompts. Share your experiences and examples in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more prompt engineering tips and tricks. And if you want to take your skills to the next level, join our community. That links in description for exclusive resources and support. See you in the next video.